Good.
Uh, that is the end of those who were issued subpoena, and those present today, Mr. Chairman, are from the Bureau of Customs, Commissioner Isidro La Peña.
Good morning, sir. Good morning.
Mr. Jimmy Guban, Customs Intelligence and Investigation Service.
Good morning, Jimmy.
Mr. John Mar Rosales, X-ray Supervisor. Morales, X-ray Supervisor. Mr. Manuel Noli Martires, X-ray Operator. From the Philippine National Police, Police Chief Superintendent Ray Lyndon Lawas, representing the PDG. From the Philippine Drug
One moment.
Oh,
Police Chief Superintendent Lawas, ano ang nyo? Deputy Director for Operations? NHQ? Saan ho? NHQ ho. Thank you. Thank you. Good morning. Sino ba?
From PDEA, Director General Aquino is with Representative Attorney Roel Lasala.
Representative? Andito siya.
No. With Attorney Roel Lasala. Sorry, sir.
Mr. Lasala, are you here? Can you come forward and sit here, somewhere here?
We also have with them Director Adrian Alvarino, Director Joel Plaza, and Director Ismael Fajardo, OIC Deputy Director General for Administration.
What about Asierto? Is he here?
Asierto cannot be located and no records from PNP. So far, we're still locating him, sir.
All right. What about Rosa Medina Atienza here? Yes. Do you mind putting all the positions here, please? It's so hard just to have the name. Go ahead.
From All Systems Logistics, Mr. Roy Baldon.
Yes, Roy.
From Benline Agencies Philippines, Inc., Mr. Zach Asperas and Mr. Alex Padlan.
Yeah, sinabi mo na.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
From Link Quick Trans Cargo Logistics, Mr. Zapata is here. We invited from Nuktec, Mr. Benji Hu and Mr. Gaupeng, but their lawyers sent a letter that the subpoena was only...
These are the X-ray people, right?
Yes, sir.
All right.
They're currently
Don't you have a
abroad.
tech rep that provided the X-ray? Wala ba kayong tech rep yan? Technical representative pag nasira yung bilhin natin sa malaking kumpanya? You should have a tech rep, di ba?
Your Honor, mayroong mga technicians sa Nuktec sa mga...
I know
ports.
your technicians. I'm talking about, Mr. Commissioner, sir, when we buy a big ticket item like an X-ray, normally, they would be provided with a tech rep. Normally. Don't you have one provided here? Na pag nasira yung X-ray, may matatawag tayo agad? Or consultation?
Yes, Your Honor.
Wala kayong tech rep dito. Bibili tayo ng bagong X-ray, tapos wala na naman kayong tech rep. Di naglulukuhan tayo.
That's the role of Mr. Benji Ho, Your Honor.
Po?
Si Mr. Benji Ho, Your Honor, of Nuktec.
Hindi nga ako dumating eh. Yeah, but they should be available. I don't want to extend the hearing unnecessarily. So go ahead.
Yes. From SFYD Trading, Ms. Marina de la Cruz Signapan.
Yes,
She's here.
Marina.
From Vecaba Trading International, Mr. Vedastro Cabral Barakel.
General Aquino, is Barakel under your custody?
No, sir.
Did you ever arrest him?
We invited in PDA officer.
All right. The invitation is a euphemism, but you've already investigated him, I take it.
Yes, sir.
And you have results. That you're-
Kasama siya, sir, sa napailan ng kaso, sir.
Sir,
Kasama siya, sir, na napailan ng kaso, sir.
na-file na ho na ninyong kaso.
Yes, sir.
Are we aware of that? Kaya siya been filed here?
No, sir.
Can you give us an information on what cases have been filed so we would not be blindsided?
Copy, sir.
You know, there may be an investigation that doesn't stop the Senate from investigation even if it's already in court. I want you to be aware of that. That's why we have to know what you filed. All right?
Yes, sir.
Can you have somebody bring it here as soon as possible? Today, possible. This morning.
I will, sir.
Okay. If you have the documents there, I would appreciate it. We can have it Xerox. Go ahead.
Miss Baby Barakel, also known as Miss Maria Lagrimas Katipan.
Pareho ba kayo ni Mr. Barakel or iba kayo? Ba't baby Barakel kayo?
Palayaw lang po yun, sir, yung baby.
Mag-asawa ho ba kayo?
Hindi po kami kasal. Partner
Hindi,
po.
tanong ko lang ho kayo kung magkasawa kayo, sabi nyo. Hindi.
Partner po.
Hindi ho kayo kasal. In other words,
Partner.
partner. Okay. You're an item. Okay, thank you. Go ahead.
Miss Katrina Grace Kwasay.
Yes.
And Miss
Are
Rosa.
you pregnant? Thank you. Just want to be sure. Just in case, 8 months, 7 months,
2.5 po.
5 months.
Miss Rosa Bidina Atienza. And then Caltemprate, who were mentioned a while ago.
Yes.
And then Miss Virginia Valiente.
Miss Atienza, saan kayo? Sa customs ba kayo? Saan? Kayo yung claimant ng property? O. Nagbago kayo. Kung bis na bis kayo ngayon.
Dito.
Nung hinaraw niyo ako ng isang araw, nakaragid kayo. Anyway, thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Rosa, no?
Thank
Kala
you.
ko Rachel,
Paano ba yan?
Sige po.
Mr. Joel Maritana.
Joel Maritano.
Opo yun.
Will you please sa Klang Port Container Terminal sa Malaysia, no? June 12. Ito yung nahuli sa MICP. Commissioner, tell me if you have one?
That's right, Your Honor.
And then on June 28, 2018, 12 o'clock nung dumating dito, it was discharged in Hong Kong. In Hong Kong pala. And then on June 25, it was loaded on AS Cecilia in Hong Kong and brought here from Manila, to Manila. And then on June 28, it arrived in MICP. And on July 24th, the full container load was discharged from the Cecilia. Wala ba yan? Timeline. Right, okay. Now let us go to the Master Bill of Lading. Apparently there were 2 Masters Bill of Lading. Is that correct, sir? Commissioner?
Sir, excuse me.
Yung original. Sino? Pagka yung pinalitan, di ba? Sige. I have one bill of lading here, dated coming from Port Klang, Port Landing, Manila North Port. It's an original, nakalagay dito. Consignee is Vicaba Trading. Vedacio Cabral Barakel is the contact person. Tama po ba ito?
Yes, Your Honor. There's just one bill of lading, and then there was an attempt to change it, Your Honor.
There was an attempt to change, but there was an amendment. Is that correct?
As far as Bureau of Customs, Your Honor, there was that amendment did not push through, Your Honor.
There are 2 here. I have a copy of both. One is signed by Alex Padlan. That's why I remember Alex Padlan very well, because when I saw this document, I said, where was Alex Padlan? That's why I remember he did not utter a word. I did not see you last time. But anyway,
Yes, sir.
I don't know how I could fail to see your scintillating presence. All right. Having said that, nakalagay ho dito ang consignee ay Vicaba Trading. Mr. Barakel, ano ibig sabihin ng Vicaba Trading?
Vidasto Cabral Barakel po.
Kayo ba yan?
Yes, sir.
Ikaw ang consignee nito?
Opo.
Inaamin mo ngayon?
Opo.
Oh. Good. Having said that, bakit nagkaroon between July 2 and 4 ng amendment dito sa Master Bill of Lading When the House Bill of Lading was issued by Ben Line Agency, Philippine agent for TS Lines, there were changes. Nakalagay dito si Alex Padlan. Can you explain this, please?
Sir, there's only one bill of lading. Now, I have here the copy of the original BL. It is actually a copy sent by Port Klang, Malaysia.
Can you go near the microphone? Hindi ko po kayo maintindihan. Can you listen well? Hindi ko maintindihan. Go ahead.
The original bill of lading issued by Port Klang is actually a different, it bears a different signature.
Hindi nyo signature ito?
Yes, I just signed it just to prove that it came from our office.
You just signed it.
To prove that it came from our office, sir.
This one came from your office.
Yes, sir.
What does that mean? Just to prove that...
Yes, yes, because I'm used to it, but whenever I furnish documents to...
Pero there was an attempt to amend, hindi ba?
Yes, sir.
In fact, pinalitan pa yung consignee.
Sir, hindi po yung consignee. In fact, yung address.
Consignee. You want me to show the paper?
Yes, ang consignee remains Becaba Trading, but they only requested to change the address.
Ang nakalagay ho dito sa akin, ang consignee sa original Master Bill of Lading is Becaba.
Yes, sir.
Alright? I will go to the address later. Of number 712 Galicia Street, 1st District, Sampaloc. Tama ho yan.
Yes, sir.
Ang pangalawang Bill of Lading, nakalagay na dito, is Mr. Zhang
Kwan.
Kwan.
Yes, sir. That was the correction we
Hindi
received.
ba iba yun? O sinasabi mo pareho? Ang pinalitan lang kami yung address.
Sir, there were actually 3 amendments. 3 requests for correction. The first one is the address, I'm sorry, the first one that they tried to amend is the description of the cargo. From door frame to...
No. I'll go to the description of the cargo. Answer my question. Nakalagay dito consignee. I have to go by the document, you know?
Yes, sir.
Ano nakalagay sa document mo?
Becaba Trading, sir.
No, sinabi mo dito sa bago. Yung sinabi mo, para lang mapirmahan lang, para masabi ng galing sa inyo. Bill of Lading ito.
Yes, sir.
Ano nakalagay? Kwan.
Yes, sir. Kwan.
Oh, di magbago. Zhang Kwan, Chinese.
Yes, sir.
So don't tell me hindi lang yung address o hindi lang yung cargo. Pinalitan yung pangalan. Can you give them a copy para makita bigay sa Commissioner? Don't you have the copy? Your copy? Wala ka mang kopya?
I have, sir.
Kanina, binabasa mo sa akin eh. Ano yung kopya binabasa mo? France. Mr. Padlan, is that correct?
Yes, sir.
Alam mo ba kung ano electromagnetic lifting device?
No, sir.
Hindi mo alam?
Hindi ko alam, sir. I have not seen it yet.
Gaano katagal ka na ba sa pier? Sa
Sir?
shipping?
Sir?
Gaano katagal ka na?
Sir, 30 years.
30 years. Kung ano may buka pa na nagsimula.
I suppose, sir.
Nakalbo ka na ngayon 30 years, hindi mo pa alam kung ano yung magnetic steel. I'm just exaggerating the point.
Yes,
Dahil ako nakalbo na rin sa politika eh.
yes, I have not seen
Magnetic steel.
Magnetic.
Pero malaki diferensya from door frame to a lifter, magnetic lifter, correct?
Yes, sir.
Common sense, right?
Yes, sir.
You finish college?
Yes, sir.
Where did you finish?
De La Salle, sir.
Uy, Lasal. Galing na eskwela yun. To basketball. Okay? Biro lang yun.
Yes, sir.
Alright. So, lifting electronic magnet for steel, ang laki with dimensions.
Yes, sir.
Mabigat ba?
Sir, this is cheapest load count and sale. We don't know exactly the weight. And the
No,
actual...
Is he a regular consignee? Oh, tumutuwo ng pag ganun si Kwan. Indian ba yan? Pag gumagano ng Indian, oo eh. Is he a regular consignee?
No, Your Honor. It's just Bicaba, Your Honor.
Bigla lang.
Yes, Your Honor.
Biglang bumula. Ngayon lang kayo nag-consignee.
Nagamit lang, sir, nagamit.
Tinatanong, ngayon ka lang nag-consignee. O, tapos nagpagamit ka. Ano yung sabihin nagamit?
Hindi po sinasadyang magamit.
Ha? Hindi, okay. Iba yung iniisip mo. Basusan niya iniisip mo. Yes. Sino ang gumamit sa iyo?
Yung nga po si Casey Chan.
Kilala mo ba ito si Chan?
Opo, opo.
O, ano, nasaan siya?
Hindi ko po alam siya kung nasan po siya
Yan ang problema natin ngayon, di ba?
Opo.
Papahanap mo kayo sa gobyerno. Trabaho na namin niya ngayon. Ganun ba yan? Magkano pinayad sa'yo?
Wala po, wala po.
Oh, pumayag ka? Bait mo naman.
Ay kasi po mayroong call sa akin na sisilduhan daw niya po ako. Ganun
Ha?
po. Ganun po kung call sa akin niya. Sabi niya po sa akin.
Okay, salita lang ko ng matinong Tagalog. Hindi ko maintindihan yung Tagalog niyo.
Kung bibigyan po niya ako ng sweldo monthly, sabi niya sa akin pag natapos daw po ito.
Bibigyan ka ng monthly.
Opo, opo.
Ilang ang nasweldo mo monthly? Ilan na?
Ay, wala pa pong usapan kaming ganun na sisildo. Yung presyo wala pa po. Dahil hindi pa po nga
Sabi mo lang, gamitin ko yung pangalan mo, pumirma ka, gano'n ba?
Hindi po.
Ano? Paliwanag mo.
Eh kasi po yan.
Huwag ka magbiro. May nagbiro dito last week, nakakulong.
Nagamit lang po sir yung DTI yung nakuha po sa amin.
Ha?
Nagamit po ni Casey yung DTI namin yung pinagawa.
Yung DTI address nyo?
Opo, opo.
Yung registration nyo?
Opo, opo.
Lumapit sa inyo?
Opo.
Saan kayo nilapitan? Saan lugar?
Sa Mindoro na po, pumunta po sa amin.
Pumunta
sir.
pa sa Mindoro?
Opo, opo.
Saan ang address nyo sa Mindoro?
Sa Kalog po, sa Lalod.
Kumatok, magandang hapon po. O, gano'n ba?
Opo, opo.
May kasama isang Pilipino. Siyempre, Chinese yan eh.
Dahil kasi po si Casey Chan po matagal na po namin kilala.
Paano?
Si Casey Chan po matagal na po namin
O, kilala
kakilala.
mo na matagal.
Ay, opo, dahil po naging asawa po siya ni Emily Lukingan.
Ano kinalaman niya?
Asawa po siya dati ni Casey Chan.
Oh, ba't di mo sinabi kagad? Meron palang asawa. Alam mo pala kung saan pupulutin si Mr. Chan. Oh,
Hindi,
ma'am.
matagal na po yun. Tagal na po siyang gawan. Bali, naghiwalay na po sila. Nung mga
August 9. Nakita ba kayo nung...
Nakita po kami noong June. Pumunta po siya ng Mindoro.
So this June.
Oho.
Huh? Bakit? Di ba sabi? Birthday? Do you have a marriage certificate? Natalo niya kasi yung birthday eh.
Opo.
Natanongin ko na yung marriage certificate. Meron kayo?
Meron po.
Ano ang birthday ni Pony?
Hindi ko na ho maalala kasi matagal na ho kami
20
hiwalay.
years kayo magkasama, hindi mo alam kung anong birthday?
Sir, hindi po kami 20 years nagkasama. 6
O
years
sabi niya
lang po.
20 years eh. Anong 20 years na gano'n? Ano yun?
20 years po kaming hiwalay na.
At 20 years kayo hulay, gano'n ka kayo magsama?
Nagsama ho kami noong 1993.
Hindi na Sampaloc, di ba nakalagay doon, ilipat ninyo sa Cavite. Tama po ba yan, Mr. Padlan?
Yes, sir.
Oh, so, palahat bumagsak doon. All roads lead to the warehouse that belongs to Miss
Contemporary po.
Ang hihirap ng pangalan dito, Contemprata. Ngayon lang ako nakakarinig yung pangalan. Singkaban. Ano yan? Singnapan. So, di ba? Do you think that the drugs went to that place? Yung apat na sinasabi mo, sabi nyo may drugs, sabi nyo Costos, walang drugs. Pati si Albayalde, General Albayalde, sabi walang drugs. Sabi nyo, upo yung aso, pinidahan nyo pa yung aso. Kung may drugs doon, huliin rin natin ito si Aling Vicenta. Contemplate, dahil nasa inyo nakita yan eh. And I'm beginning to think, forgive me, makakahuli tayo ng maliit, pero nakalusot mas malaki. Parang sinasabi, o may nahuhuli naman kami, papasaysahan nyo na. Nahuli namin yung, kahit pa paano may nahuli. Pero yung malaki, sorry na lang, nakalusot na yan. In the meantime, I asked my staff, I don't...
Gusto nila, sir, humihingi sila ng passport details of Casey Chan.
And,
Then we can ask our immigration when he departed here, if we don't have it, you must have an old passport. Meron ka bang passport dati ni...
Wala po, sir.
Wala ka ni ano? Wala kang papel? Wala kang...
Wala po.
Wala? Sigurado ka?
Opo.
Oh, may hingi sa'yo ng passport? But they have an identification card.
Also to talk with our counterpart in Malaysia, Bureau of Customs at Portland, to identify who made that shipment.
Last night, sir, I instructed my people on the plane, on the way to Cebu. We were reviewing this case. You can ask my staff. I said, first thing tomorrow morning, I want to ask the DFA to contact our people in Malaysia to find out who is the shipper. I'm glad you're doing that already.
Yes, Your Honor.
And also Japan.
Yes, Your Honor.
That's right, for the other one, right?
It's for Bicaba, Your Honor. It's Portland, Malaysia. It went through Hong Kong and then Manila. And then for the SMYD from Vietnam to Taiwan, then Taiwan to Manila. And we
Jan
are going to
Aquino,
trace.
I would like to tell you that I'm happy, although I'm not happy you did not tell me kahit na in secret what is happening. I can keep secrets too, you know. That you already had this guy in custody. I know, because I asked, asa si Barakel, imposible hindi mahuli nila yan. And at the very start, you should have told me. But we knew you had him, alright? So having said that, if you had him, di na tayo dapat humaba rito. And I'm glad that you're pursuing it, but we have to pursue it more para mahuli ang tao yan. Would you say, therefore, that insofar as the first, as the mastermind of this drug intrusion to our country in big quantities, medyo masosolve na itong kaso ganun, dapat magdududa kayo ng konti. Wise ka naman, kinuha mo yung passport.
Kinuha ko na lahat ng requirements. Binigyan naman po ako bago kami nagpirma ng
Matapang, no?
contract.
Matapang na nga.
Po,
Tiga Cavite ba kayo talaga? Tal?
taga Mandaluyong po ako.
Mindanao?
Opo.
Mabot kayo sa Cavite?
Yun lang po yung property ko doon.
Kinukontest pa ni Rose. Nag-ayos na ba kayo ni Rose? Sinumbo kayo sa akin ni Rose paglabas ko rin sa meeting. Yung property ko, mabuti yung imbestigan nyo. Dahil inago sa akin yung property niyan. Hindi ko imbestigan niya dito. Pero imbestigan ko kayo, tumanggap kayo ng pera.
Kasi po,
900,000. Pero nag-iingat kayo. Mabuti nakakuha kayo ng passport.
meron po kasi kaming kontrata.
Nakatulong ba sa inyo yung passport na binigay sa inyo? Siyempre.
Yes, sir.
Oh, see?
Meron po kasi akong contract bago po ako mag-sign. Nangingi muna po ako ng mga requirements.
Madalas ba kayo dinadala ng SMYD?
Hindi,
SMYD, no? Yan, nababu.
The same day, 15 days, they are given 15 days to file an entry. And then there can be an extension, another 15 days, Your Honor. In the case of Bicaba, they did not, they cannot file because they are not accredited.
And if that is the case, if they're not accredited, dumating yung kahon, dapat buksan ka agad.
Yes, Your Honor.
Because that's already an attempt. They don't declare anything. Correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
Di ba, pag pumasok ka sa customs, hindi ka na-declare, binuksan ka, anong tawag doon? Wala kang declare, pumasok ka, lumabas ka, nahuli ka ng customs agent, wala kang declare, anong tawag doon? Di ba smuggling na kagad yun?
Yes, Your Honor. And there is a provision also, Your Honor, which they call first and last time. Those who are not accredited are allowed to make a
Manifestation of good faith, hindi na nila ulitin.
Yes, Your Honor.
Di ba meron ganon? Ba't kailangan pa may ganon?
But,
If you're going to operate in customs, dapat alam nyo lahat ng procedure.
yes, Your Honor. And I agree that in the case of Bicaba, the customs should have taken.
Am I being unfair pag sinabi ko dapat wala ng discretion yung customs? Ito patakaran, pagdating yan wala ng discretion, pagdating yan lakad na kagad yan, tingnan nyo kung may laman yan o wala. Pag wala pa yung laman, hindi niya dineclare, dali ka. And
Yes,
you're going to
Your Honor.
have that with the new computer, sabi nyo eh.
Yes, Your Honor.
Or
And we
you're
will-
not going to rely on it entirely.
Yes, Your Honor. And we
This
will
is the in
improve-
aid of legislation part, sir.
Yes, Your Honor. And we will improve our procedure.
Kasama niya, ano pa, ano kasama niya? Romy?
Romeo Nabal po.
Romeo Naval. Romeo Naval is in the bill of lading. Sir, are you aware of that?
Yes, Your Honor.
Is he a member of customs? Saan? Hanapin niyo naman.
He's not member of Customs, Your Honor.
He's a member of Guardian. Di ba, Guardian?
Opo, sir.
Sino chairman ng Guardian?
Si JB Guban po.
Jimmy Guban, magkasama sila ni Naval.
Opo, sir.
Nandito sa papel ang bill of lading na pinalitan. Excuse me, bear with me. Oh. Sa green or red siya ko. Yung galing sa Vietnam. Ang nakalagay dito, si mga ko nito, shipper, si
SMYD from signing, very attention and Romeo Naval.
nakalagay dito, SMYD Trading, number 6F Suite, 6054, Victoria Building, 429, UN Avenue. Nabisita nyo na ba ito ng mga otoridad ng customs? Nabisita nyo na itong opisina ng SMYD? May papel tayo nito eh. Andito. Hindi ko na mabasa. Somebody help me here.
The office was
Ito. I need a paper. Yes, go ahead.
not visited, Your Honor, but as of this time, the accreditation has already.
Again, this is in aid of legislation, sir. You should really have somebody investigate all these consignees for hire.
Yes, Your Honor.
Because they're just holes in the wall.
Yes, Your Honor.
Katulad yung mga bata ng Taguba, dalawang lamesa lang, walang bodega. Paano niya magagawa? Walang tracking. Kaya ang hirap hanapin ng mga smuggler dahil iba-iba yung truck, iba-iba yung ginagamit, nagle-layering sila. Especially when you use them for drugs, butas-butas tayo. O ito, I'll show you to you a document here. Is somebody from Oriental Logistics here? Group? Here? Saan ba galing ito? Sa... Hindi, all system dyan. Andito ba yung Oriental Logistics? Patawag nyo nga yung Oriental Logistics dito. Friend, high po yan eh. All Systems Logistics. Ba't di ka tumatahimik ka? Ikaw ang...
Si Oriental po yung...
Oo, ako pinapasyal ha. Tawa-tawa nga.
Sorry po.
I don't find it funny.
Sorry po. Si Oriental,
Ano mo, ikaw ang hinahanap ko, hindi ka sumasagot ha.
si Oriental Logistic po yung...
Yun ang principal ninyo na napadala sa inyo.
Yes po, yung forwarder agent po sa Origin po.
O, dumaan sa Evergreen.
Dumaan po ng Evergreen po.
O, tingnan mo itong dokumento ito. Halika rito. Nakakapikong kayo ah. O, anong pangalan niyan? Nakalagay.
Si Romeo Habal, sir.
O. O, yan. Meron ka palang kopya. O, Romeo Naval.
Habal po.
Habal. Naval ba o Habal?
Nabal po.
Naval. O, pareho ba yan? Pareho. Andito ba si Romeo? Andito kanina yan eh. Is Romeo Naval yan? Oh, natanggap yung subpoena, di dumating dito. Bakit? Because siya ang recipient ito. Are you aware of this, General?
Sir, allow me to elaborate my...
I'm asking you. Don't ask me to allow you. I'm already asking you. Huwag kang smart Alec, ha?
Opo, sir.
Ah,
Ang objective po, sir, doon, mag-amin ng kargamento.
ano?
I-amin, sir, yung kargamento.
Bakit i-amen?
Part, sir, nung cover as per instruction
Anong cover?
nung hepe ko po, sir.
Ha?
Part, sir, ng cover story para makuha ko yung details sa Ben 9 po, sir.
Cover story?
Yes, sir.
Na-amend kunyari.
Opo, sir.
Di ba narinig mo sinabi dito nag-amend yung shipper doon sa Japan ba yun? O sa sa Malaysia, di ba?
Yes, sir. Lahat po ng changes.
Request for amendment galing sa Malaysia.
Yes, sir.
O, ba't biglang cover mo ngayon yun? Magsasama na kayo, malapit na kayo magsama. Sige.
Sir,
Try
yung
mo.
objective ko po, sir, ang instruction
Narinig ko
po
na
sa-
yung objective mo is to provide a cover.
That is a temporary designation.
Assuming it is a temporary, what is the rating required? Anong SG mo?
SG-11 po, sir.
Is that an SG-11 position? Officer in charge?
No, Your Honor.
Paano yan ngayon? Palit ng storya.
Your Honor, I was designated as the OIC of the Port of Manila.
Who designated you?
Sir, that is a personnel
Who
order.
designated you?
It was approved by the Commissioner, Your Honor.
Who?
Customs personnel order approved by the, no less than, sir, by the Commissioner.
Commissioner who?
Lapinya.
Is that true, sir?
Yes, Your Honor. As OIC, officer in charge.
So you appoint him as OIC, even if he's an SG-11?
Yes, Your Honor, because of lack of...
Lack of personnel?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Did you authorize them to go there and find out?
No, Your Honor.
So, they're going beyond their authority.
Yes, Your Honor.
Your Honor, can I make some explanation?
Ba't ba kayo ang mabait yung pagkaka ng pepermiso? Ang pepermiso pa kayo,
Your
tinatanong
Honor,
kayo.
kasama na po namin ang PILIA doon sa pagtrabaho po namin.
Ha?
Kasama na po namin, sir, ang PILIA. We have already a representative coming from PILIA.
Is that true, General Aquino?
Yes, sir.
So he's acting as your agent.
Sir, may unit kami mismo sa customs, yung interdiction unit namin. So if there will be some operations there, tinatap yung PDEA agents namin sa interdiction unit.
And my question is very simple. Is he one of your agents? Napaka-loose naman ang arrangement ninyo dyan. Biglang nagiging ahente nagiging ahente ng PIDEA. Ikaw ang ibibilad dito, lumalabas sa akin ngayon. Ano mo, hindi ako naniniwala eh. Ang dami nagbibigay sa akin ng impormasyon, pero may bibigay sa akin ng impormasyon, baka pinapasal ako eh. Ang lumalabas, ikaw ibibilad. Ang dami biglang tumatawag sa akin dito.
Your Honor, totoo lang po talaga ang ginagawa namin. Doon po ay trabaho kasama po.
Bakit ka magsasabi? Alam mo, napaka-intricate ang ginawa mo. Kaya ako nagalit sa'yo. Ginagamit mo itong mamang ito na walang kamuhang-muha. Papaguhin mo ng affidavit na aminin niya na siyang tatanggap ng goods. No.
Ang objective po, sir, doon, yung mag-amin ng kargamento.
Ano?
I-amin, sir, yung kargamento.
Bakit i-amin?
Part, sir, nung cover as per instruction.
Anong cover?
Nung hepe ko po, sir.
Ha?
Part, sir, ng cover story para makuha ko yung details sa Ben 9 po, sir.
Cover story?
Yes, sir.
Na-amend kunyari.
Opo, sir.
Di ba narinig mo sinabi dito nag-amend yung shipper doon sa Japan ba yun? O sa sa Malaysia, di ba?
Yes, sir. Lahat po ng changes.
Request for amendment galing sa Malaysia.
Yes, sir.
O, ba't biglang cover mo ngayon yun? Magsasama na kayo, malapit na kayo magsama. Sige.
Sir,
Try
yung
mo.
objective ko po, sir, ang instruction
Narinig ko
po
na yung objective mo is to provide a cover. Cover for what?
Sir, doon yung cover, sir, na kunwari mag-aamit ng kargamento.
Anong kunwari? Ba't ka ba kailangan mag-kunwari? Para kanino?
Ang initial
Sabihin mo kanyari, amendahin namin. Para ano? Para ano gusto mo malaman?
para makakuha po ako, sir, nung complete details.
Anong complete details ang hinahanap mo?
Ng Ben Cava po, sir.
Ano nga? You cannot go to Bernais, magpilala, customs officer ako, kailangan ka pa may cover? Bakit kailangan may cover? Magpakilala ka, ako yung otoridad, gusto ko malaman itong palito, may tinatrabaho ko. Bakit hindi mo magawa yun?
May instruction po, sir.
Anong instruction nino?
Hepe ko po, sir, na
Kanino?
OIC ko, sir, na si
Sino OIC?
Juan Guban, sir.
O si Uban, turo mo
Yes,
si
sir.
Uban.
Siya po yung hepe
Oh,
ko.
siya nagsabi sa'yo. Ano sabi niya?
Na
Mahirap magmemorya pag sinungaling eh.
no, sir, na
Sige.
kunwari ako po, sir, si Vedasto Cabral Barakel.
Kunwari ikaw.
Opo, sir.
Alam mo ba na mayroong illegal use of alias? Titirahin kita ng illegal use of alias ngayon. Sige, tumira ka ba? Tira! Lukuhin mo pa kami.
Permission, sir, na ipagpatuloy ko.
Huwag ka naman permiso. I'm already asking you. Answer the question. Sipin mo kung anong direktor ni Hubar sa'yo nung isang araw para masabi mo rito. Mahirap sabihin pagka nagsisinungaling dahil hindi totoo yung sinasabi mo. Yun ang cover mo. Ba't ka kailangan mag-cover? You are a person in authority. Galing ka sa customs. Is it true, Mr. Commissioner, that he's a customs employee?
Yes, Your Honor. Contractual employee, Your Honor.
Contractual employee. Do you allow contractual employees to conduct these kinds of investigation, Mr. Commissioner?
No, Your Honor.
Oh, under what authority are you going there?
Sir, gumalaw lang po ako under instruction ng hepe ko na si I.O.
Meron ba kayo mission order dito kay Mr. Guban at saka dito kay Mr. Gorgonio, sir?
No, Your Honor.
Wala.
Siya po, sir, yung immediate OIC.
Sino nagsabi sa'yo ma-assign ka sa kanya? Nasa plantilla ba ito? Naka-assign doon? A contractual employee is assigned
No,
to
Your
Mr.
Honor.
Guban?
Contractual employee does not occupy a plantilla position, Your Honor.
What is your position in customs, Mr. Guban?
Your Honor, I am a former OIC Chief ng Port of Manila, CIS.
You are a former OIC
OIC.
officer in
Port
charge.
of Manila, sir.
OIC.
Yes, sir.
Anong kasi sa Tagalog? O ako kita. OIC. Tunay ba yung OIC na yun o ako kita? Is there such a position?
Officer in charge po, Your Honor.
Is there such a position, sir?
Yes, Your
Mr.
Honor.
Commissioner?
The position is a district CIIS, Your Honor. District Supervisor, CIIS.
Is there such a position as OIC?
Yes, sir. Yes, Your Honor.
And he occupied that position before?
That is a temporary designation.
Assuming it is a temporary, what is the rating required? Anong SG mo?
SG-11 po, sir.
Is that an SG-11 position? Officer in charge?
No, Your Honor.
Paano yan ngayon? Palit ng storya.
Your Honor, I was designated as the OIC of the Port of Manila.
Who designated you?
Sir, that is a personnel
Who
order.
designated you?
It was approved by the Commissioner, Your Honor.
Who?
Customs personnel order approved by the, no less than, sir, by the Commissioner.
Commissioner who?
Lapinya.
Is that true, sir?
Yes, Your Honor. As OIC, officer in charge.
So you appoint him as OIC, even if he's an SG-11?
Yes, Your Honor, because of lack of...
Lack of personnel?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Did you authorize them to go there and find out?
No, Your Honor.
So they're going beyond their authority?
Yes, Your Honor.
Your Honor, can I make some explanation?
Ba't ba kayo ang mabait nyo pagka ka ng pepermiso? Ang pepermiso pa kayo,
Your
tinatanong
Honor,
kayo.
kasama na po namin ang PILIA doon sa pagtrabaho po namin.
Ha?
Kasama na po namin, sir, ang PILIA. We have already a representative coming from PILIA.
Is that true, General Aquino?
Yes, sir.
So he's acting as your agent?
Sir, may unit kami mismo sa customs, yung interdiction unit namin. So if there will be some operations there, tinatap yung PDEA agents namin sa interdiction unit.
And my question is very simple. Is he one of your agents? Napaka-loose naman ang arrangement niyo dyan. Biglang nagiging ahente nagiging ahente ng PDEA. Ikaw ang ibibilad dito, lumalabas sa akin ngayon. Ano mo, hindi ako naniniwala eh. Ang dami nagbibigay sa akin ng impormasyon, pero may bibigay sa akin ng impormasyon, baka pinapasal ako eh. Ano lumalabas, ikaw ibibilad. Ang dami biglang tumatawag sa akin dito.
Your Honor, totoo lang po talaga ang ginagawa namin. Ito po ay trabaho kasama po.
Bakit ka magsasabi? Alam mo, napaka-intricate ang ginawa mo. Kaya ako nagalit sa'yo. Ginagamit mo itong mamang ito na walang kamuhang-muhang. Papaguhin mo ng affidavit na aminin niya na siyang tatanggap ng goods na may laman. Pagkatapos, ikaw, pupunta ka doon, gagamitin mo siguro konyo, magpapakilala kayo, samantalang kayo, ahente. You're officer in charge. You can go to Ben Lines. Has that happened before?
Yes, sir. Pagka na-mention lang ilang bill of lading, sir, and container number.
Nagpupunta sila sa inyo?
Sila po mismo?
Sila, Hindi, yung taga-customs. At any time.
Mga taga-customs po, bihira po magpunta sa amin.
Bihira?
Yes, sir.
So,
In fact, wala nga po akong nare-recall.
Ano ho?
Wala po ako nare-recall na taga-customs na pumunta sa office.
And you don't think you can go and do your job and say, I'm from customs to check? Kunyari, papalitan niyo yung bill of lading. Bakit yung papalitan ng bill of lading? Para malaman niyo kung saan ang kahon. Tutulungan na kita. Para malaman niyo kung nasaan yung kahon. Anong number ng kahon. Ganun ba?
Yes, Your Honor, para po makuha namin ang PL number at saka yung container number. Kaya po yung sir na discovery na Bicama Trading, kaya po yung po sir na huli namin together with the
And it
PNP.
just so happened that on the same day you went to Malaysia, dumating dito, yung kahon na yun, alam mo na yung number na tinatanong mo kunyari.
Sir, kasama ko po ang pamilya ko noon, sir.
It doesn't matter to me.
Wala pa ako, sir.
Saan ang pamilya mo? SC11 ka. Magkano sweldo ng SC11? So, pa-lifestyle check ka namin? Saan ang pamilya mo? Ilan ang pamilya mo?
Sa Singapore po noon, sir.
O, ilan nga kayo?
With my children, sir, 3 at saka yung wife ko. My wife, sir, is kaya po, sir, naman magastos nila ng sarili.
Did you have travel authority to travel?
Yes, Your Honor. Meron pa ako lahat. Lagi may humihingi pa ako ng travel authority pag lumalabas pa ako.
Sino nabigay sa'yo?
Ina-approve po yung, sir, ng Department of Finance mula po sa baba.
Hindi, nakalagay dito, Bureau of Customs Intelligence Request for Travel Authority, signed, Jimmy Gomez. Place, Hong Kong, March 29 to April 3. Ito pa. Yung previous mo, may previous travel ka. March 29 to April 1, Hong Kong. Wow. And then another one, May 30 to June 3, Malaysia. Wow. Ang dami mong travel Ay natatapat doon sa pagdating ng kargamento rito. At dumidiretso ka kay Secretary Dominguez. Kaklase ko ito.
No, Your Honor, yan po ay request po recommended by the Commissioner papunta po, sir, sa Department of Finance.
Director Yusek Beltran. True Yusek Beltran. Pero naka-address kay Carlos Dominguez. Siyempre, babaksak ito sa kay Carlos Dominguez. Pero nakalagay, Dear Yusek Beltran. Do you allow that, Mr. Commissioner? A lowly employee can write directly to the Customs Commissioner and to the Finance Secretary?
That is endorsed by the Bureau of Customs, Your Honor, the application for leave.
I don't see it endorsed here. An intelligence officer 1, earning a salary of 22,000 a month. I would imagine that you would have bigger customs intelligence people who know their job better than this guy.
Yes, Your Honor, that's right.
And you allow him to go there to find out? What is he going to do? To magliwaliw doon or to find out something? Ang problema ko is, sabay sa date Sa petsa. Doon nakatalo Dumating din yung kahon. Pagkagaling niya doon, dumating yung kahon dito. Tapos bubulahin niya kami, nahanap niya yung papel, yung kahon. Ay, hindi na nga bali na, okay, hinahanap niyo. Lumabas yung kwan, ikaw kamo ang nagturo nun, kaya nahuli yun. Totoo ba yun? Siya nagturo sa inyo, nandun yung kahon? Ikaw ba nagturo kay Commissioner?
Yes, Your Honor. Pinaprobahan pa nga pag-open, sir, ng container. Sinirmahan niyo po, sir. As yun nga documents, Your Honor.
We were not told this previously.
No, Your Honor. The information that I got came from Director Albani.
That's what I heard you say last time.
Yes, Your Honor. And
It did not come from him last time.
no, yes, Your Honor. It did not
Now
come
he's
from-
claiming it came from you. It came from him.
Your Honor, it was approved by no less than the Commissioner, Your Honor. Signed by General Quinto, and the authority to open the container, Your Honor, is no less than the Commissioner, Your Honor.
Of course. But did the information come from you to the Customs Commissioner?
Yes, galing po sir sa amin, Your Honor.
May papel ka na pinapakita mo yan?
Opo sir, nandito po sir,
Pakita
Your
mo sa
Honor.
amin. Get it, please.
Your Honor.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that paper is an authority to examine the container van, Your Honor.
This
It has-
particular container van
Yes, Your Honor.
that just so happened to contain the drugs.
Yes, Your Honor. And it's already located by then, Your Honor. But before that,
What do you mean already located by that time?
yes, Your Honor.
Before you opened it, already located. The question is, did you get the information from whom?
I got it from Director Albani, Your Honor.
Director
Albani.
Albano.
Director Albani. Albani, Your Honor.
Albani.
Yes, Your
He
Honor.
was here last time, yeah? Where is he now?
He's not here at present, Your Honor, but he was here last time, Your Honor.
I know, I remember, Albani, yeah. Oh, bakit mo pinagmamalaki ikaw nakakuha?
Your Honor, kami po, together with PDEA po ang nagtrabaho po nun. Kasama ko po sir ang PDEA. Kami ang
Sino sa Pidea?
together sir with then Director Pardo sir ng PDEA. Kaya po sir, na-recommend po namin yun. Nakapirma po doon sir ang PDEA agents as nandiyan po sir ang dokumento. Nakapirma din po din sir ang PDEA agent.
You work with Fajardo, who is from Pidea. Is with General Fajardo here, Mr. Fajardo here? And you also work with Asierto. Tinanong sa
Yes,
akin.
Your Honor.
Ano tanong sa akin, Pidea? Tanong mo, sir, kung sino ang handler niya. I even reminded General Aquino, you asked the question directly to me, not to him. And he directed the question, sir, ask him who is his handler. Correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
And then you said, what? Asierto. And Asierto turned out to be a dismissed officer of the PNP, correct? Correct, sir? General,
Yes, sir. Police Senior Superintendent Asierto was discharged from service August 14, 2018, based on the decision of the Ombudsman.
August 14, 2018. This box was opened on August 7, correct? So, coincidentally again, he was dismissed 1 week after. My God, we're opening a can of worms here. But dikit-dikit. And he's now missing. Cannot be seen, right?
Yes, sir.
The chair directs and will request the PNP to pick up Colonel Asierto and bring him here in the next hearing.
Yes, Your Honor.
Under subpoena. Under subpoena. Senate President will sign a subpoena to bring Mr. Asierto here.
Yes, sir.
To subpoena the PNP. Now, in the matter of the boxes, when they were opened on August, tinanggal si Asierto 14. Do you know why tinanggal si Asierto ng 14? Is there any reason why he was removed on August 14, 2018?
Yes, Your Honor. The Directorate for Personnel issued an order dismissing Police Senior Superintendent Asierto from the service based on the decision of the Ombudsman dated June 14, 2018 for grave misconduct, serious dishonesty, and conduct prejudicial to the best
Is that the
interest of the
matter of the
service.
AK-47 rifles that were bought by the PNP
Yes, Your Honor.
na binenta niya sa pribado
Yes, Your Honor.
na umabot sa mga kalaban ng gobyerno?
Yes, Your Honor.
My God, this guy is really siga, no? Is he PMA?
Yes, sir.
Wow. Binuksan yung kahon. Ano nangyari nung binuksan yung kahon?
Nung binuksan po sir yung kahor with the presence po ni Director Pardo. Yes sir, with the presence po ni General Quinto sir, Deputy Commissioner.
General
ng
Quinto
IG.
here? Oh, you're here. Can you move forward here, please, and raise your hand? Not because I'm asking you to go hands up, just raise your hand. Take your oath. Go ahead.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth in this proceeding? Please, take this.
State your full name, please. Huh? You can sit here, General. You may sit here. Are you still active? You're retired. Good. Deputy Commissioner of Intelligence. You were PDEA before?
Yes, Your Honor.
You worked with General La Peña?
Yes, Your Honor.
So you were appointed when General La Peña came in?
Yes, Your Honor.
And you chose this man, Guban? You selected him as one of your operatives?
No, Your Honor.
His Customs Intelligence?
No, Your Honor. He's assigned with the Customs Intelligence Investigation Service, Your Honor, which is under my, the service, Your Honor, is under my supervision, Your Honor, as DIPCOM IG.
Under your supervision?
Yes, Your Honor.
So, tao mo yan?
Yes, Your Honor. He's with IG, but he is with the Customs Intelligence and Investigation Service.
Which is under your supervision?
Yes, Your Honor.
Because your actual job is what? The designation is?
He's the OIC supervisor of the Port of Manila, Your Honor. Intelligence.
OIC supervisor of?
Intelligence. Port of Manila, Your Honor.
Port of Manila Intelligence.
Yes, Your Honor.
Sounds like an oxymoron. Anyway, if you are the head of intelligence, did you allow this man, Guban, to operate?
No, Your Honor.
So he's operating independently?
I think so, Your Honor.
When he left for the Malaysia and Hong Kong, did he ask permission from you?
No,
He
Your
was
Honor.
Under you, supervisor mo.
Who is
Who is he operating under?
He's under the director of the CIS, Your Honor.
Who is that?
Who was the operational supervision over...
Who is that?
Director Tasio, Your Honor.
Who?
Director Tasio, now.
Tasio?
Before, it was Director Albani, Your Honor.
Albani?
Yes, Your Honor.
Can you subpoena Albani next hearing?
And now, it's Director Tasio.
Tasio?
Yes, Your Honor.
T-A-S-I-O?
Yes, Your Honor.
First name?
Jeffrey Tasio, Your Honor.
Is he here?
He's here, Your Honor.
Don't give me a hard time. Your name is mentioned, you're here. Please come over here, raise your hand down, then repeat after the Director General.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth in this proceeding?
Please sit down here. Yeah. Is it Colonel? Is he still active in the PNP or the PDEA? Or
no more, Your
he's an
Honor.
employee of the Customs now?
Yes, Your Honor.
What was he before?
He's with the PDEA also, Your Honor.
In an earlier life? PDEA?
He was with the Armed Forces before.
Bakit ba gano'n? Were you Colonel before? What was your rank before?
With the military, Your Honor.
Police or military?
I was with the Philippine Army before, Your Honor.
Philippine Army?
And then I was...
Philippine Army?
Yes, Your Honor.
Which division or what one?
Under the Special Forces Regiment, Your
I was
Honor.
going to ask you about Special Forces. You're Special Forces.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. What rank did you attain? Major, Captain, Colonel,
I was
General?
I was a lieutenant then, Your Honor.
Lieutenant. Are you a graduate of the PMA?
Yes, Your Honor.
What class?
I belong to the PME class of 2000, Your Honor.
You graduated?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. So you retired from the military?
I was
Inactive?
I was dismissed, Your Honor.
Dismissed for what?
I was involved in the Oakwood mutiny, Your Honor.
Oh, you're part of Magdalo?
Yes, Your Honor.
Oh my gosh. Kami magdiwang eh. Paano yan? Ano ba ito nangyayari sa bahay natin? The video of customs in the opening of the box referred to as the one containing the MCT drug bust, right? So nung binuksan yun, ano nakita nyo, sir? Kayo ba in charge? Kayo nagbubukas? Siyempre, hindi naman niya pabubuksin yung boss nyo. O siya mismo nagbukas.
Hapon na yun, Your Honor, nung kasi nasa kantin po kami nung actual binuksan, wala pa sa
Sino po ang nagbukas?
PDEA agents, Your Honor.
PDEA? Were you there, General Aquino, when they opened the box?
None, sir.
You were not there sa MCT?
Bukas na, sir, nung pagdating
bukas
ko.
na?
Yes, sir.
May tao ka doon nagbukas ng box? Sabi niya, may PDEA raw doon eh.
Under the leadership of Director Pardo, sir.
Who?
Director Pardo.
So Director Pardo is head of PDEA there. So that's true.
Yes, Your Honor, I'm the regional director of PDEA in CR, Your Honor.
And you were there when the box was open, sir?
When the container was open, Your Honor, but when the lifter was open, the first lifter was open, I was no longer there, Your Honor.
You were there when you opened the box. Andun ba kayo?
Nung actual opening, nasa kantin po kami, Your Honor.
Actual opening, nandun kayo?
Yes, Your Honor, yung...
Sino kasama niyo nung actual opening?
Yung seaport interdiction ko, Your Honor, K9 unit, PDEA K9 unit, and the seaport interdiction team.
So may aso na naman doon?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Binuksan nyo, kayo nagbukas?
No, Your Honor, we don't have authority to open the container.
ang tagal.
I was there, but I was not the one who opened.
Sino nagbukas?
It was the BOC, Your Honor, nung kinat yung ano.
Sino nga yung nagkat?
I cannot remember the... kasi marami...
May graduate seasoned police officers, hindi nyo marinig kung sino nagputol. Commissioner, were you there?
No, Your Honor. We went there a little later, Your Honor, during the presentation.
Sino nagbukas?
I will find out, Your Honor.
You will find out?
Yes.
Like a good soldier. Di ba, pag hinanap siya ng commanding officer mo, ikaw siya, I don't know, I will find out, as a good?
Yes, Your Honor.
Colonel Pardo, you were there? General ba? General ba kayo?
No, Your Honor.
So he outranks you?
Your Honor, when the...
No, my question is, he outranks you. You were in the military also, or police?
Yes, Your Honor. I'm with the police, with the rank of superintendent, Your Honor.
Superintendent. That's colonel, right?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, all right. You were general?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, so you outrank him?
Yes, Your Honor.
And he was there?
Yes, Your Honor.
And yet you don't know who opened it. Who opened what? You know, it doesn't make us look good here, you know. We're all government here. When a box is open, somebody should know who opened it. No, not according to you. Sino? Sino pa nandun? Is anybody here?
Yes, Your Honor, when the container was open.
You were there when the container was open?
Yes, Your Honor.
Who ordered the container to be opened?
It was the custom, Your Honor, because we don't have authority to open any container.
Wala kayo.
Yes, Your Honor.
Sino nag-open, nagbukas?
Yung sa port service operators, Your Honor. Yung
The bolt cutter operator from port operations?
Yes, sir.
How can they open it?
Meron silang cutter na malaki.
They cut that?
No, the container ban, Your Honor.
Container muna binuksan.
Yes, sir.
Bukas na. Dilabas nyo yung container, yung metallic. Ang tinanong ko, lifter from the very beginning, General, ano ba naman? Pinapagod nyo ba ako? Hindi nyo ako mapapagod. Mas mahaba ang resistance ko siya. Tanong nyo yung staff ko. Hindi kayo mananalo sa akin sa paguran. Nilabas. Sino naglabas?
Hindi ka...
Siyempre kahon yun, di ba? Nilabas nyo. Kasya ba? Pagbukas ba ng pinto? Colonel ba kayo dati, Mr. Pardo?
Yes, Your Honor.
Pagbukas ng pinto, nakita nyo, nakabukas ang pinto. Hindi na ba yun? Kumuha kayo ng lifter o kumuha kayo ng may bakal, may
Your Honor, nung mabuksan po yan, ang unang ginawa...
Ano nabuksan yung pinto?
Yung pinto po ng ng container po. Pinakyatan po muna ng aso yan, Your Honor.
Sinabi mo na yun, wala nangyari doon sa aso.
Opo.
Tapos?
So nung ano po, Your Honor, kasi may appointment ako noon sa Camelot.
Huwag na sabihin sa Camelot, baka mabisto ko pa ng asawa mo.
May iniwanan ko na po yan, Your Honor. So hindi ko na po alam kung paano binaba yan.
Hindi mo na alam?
Opo, kung paano binaba, hindi ko na po alam.
Iniwanan mo.
May, nandun naman po yung Seaport Interdiction Unit ko, Your Honor.
Sino yun?
Agent Pagawi, Agent Ri.
Chairman asked General Quinto, Colonel Fajardo Adgan, and then I asked everybody here to raise their hands. Only Mr. Guban raised his hands hesitatingly that he was there. And then after Mr. Guban spoke, let the record contain that Mr. Gorgonia volunteered that he was there observing as well. But there was a long pause indicating hesitation on all the persons here after Colonel Quinto stated that he was unable to see the whole thing. And after Colonel Fajardo, or General Quinto, I'm sorry, and Colonel Fajardo said he had left because the dogs went around, and after the dogs went around, didn't see anything, he left for his appointment. So, abagal kayong humarap. Okay? Ano nakita nyo eh? Bilisan na natin to, ha? Ano nakita mo na nilabas?
Sir, nung binuksan po yung container van po, sir, na-shock po kami dahil nakita ko po, sir, na may dalawang bakal na bilog na it turned out to be magnetic lifters. So, nakikita ko yung mga MICP officials doon kasi, sir, malayo naman po ako. Pero within area po ako, nag-uusap sila kung paano initially, sir, pag bukas mo yan, sir,
nakita mo yung magnetic lifter na sa malayo ka?
Opo, sir, maliit lang naman po, sir, yung area.
Pero, so, gano'n ka kalayo?
Siguro, sir, mga...
Ganito layo sa akin?
Yes, sir, yes, sir.
O mas malapit pa?
Mga exactly mga ganyan po, sir.
Siyempre, nakikita mo ka mo yung magnetic lifter eh.
Malapit ka. Marami pong tao, sir, na...
Ito mo. Nakita mo yung magnetic lifter, malapit ka. Hinahanap nila, mahanap sila para masabi na papalitan. Pagkatapos, pagdating ng galing sa biyahe, nabuksan nyo ka, kinapahan ni Guban, alam mo lahat eh. Hindi kita dinidin, ikaw magdepensa sa sarili mo, ha? I'm just going by the evidence. Yung SMG, asan na? SMOD, ayan. Nakapagpalabas sila 2 days. I know of some friends who told me it takes them weeks to remove cargo from the coastal. So ito, 4 days. At it turned out to be the same container lifters, magnetic lifters that contained drugs. As you can see, if everybody looks at that picture, nakatagilid na yung magnetic lifter na butas na, yan yung mga drugs na nakuha niya, di ba? Ganyan karami. To the total amount of 65 billion? Huh? 355 kilos. For a total amount of? Sabi niya, may nakuha kayong 1 kilo. Umabot na 8 million natin sa mo rin 1 kilo?
1 kilo is 6.8 million, sir.
6.8 million. So this is 355 kilos times 1 point, ilan yan? Magkano?
2.4 billion.
Laki.
2.4 billion. 4 point something. 4.2.
$355 ba? No? 355 kilos. At 6.5 million per kilo?
6.8 million, sir.
6.8 million. Lagay mo na 7 para madali. 7 times 355, 35, 38. Ha? 5 billion. 5 billion pesos? Wow. Kung tama yung arithmetic nyo, tingin ko 7. insulting him. But when I ask you a question on who was handling, saan yung picture? Quickly, please, quickly. I told you that last night. Tinabig ka ni Mr. Pahardo. Huwag mo sagutin yan. Ayan. Ayan. Sabi yung kamay, lalabas na yung kamay.
According to my handler, eh, lumaki po sa investigation.
Sino handler mo?
Hindi po.
Sino handler mo? Sino? Hop! Yun na! Anong handler?
May kaibigan po sa PNP.
Ikaw talaga sa bahay ka, ha? Ano mo di ka mauhuli?
Ganyan na siyerto.
Ano yun?
Ayaw po sana namin sir masunog dahil may mga parting pa according to my handler.
Ay, nako kayo.
Hindi po sir galing pili.
Sino? Wala, sumihirit ka kagad, di pa tapos eh.
Human consideration na lang po sir.
Relax ka lang. Kasi I'm going to ask you for your cooperation later.
Yes, anytime po sir, atin po ako. Hindi po ako sir mag-absent.
You know, may lapitan ka, abogado. Tinawagan pa ako. Kaklase ko.
Sir?
Kamag-anak nung nasa likod dyan. Sabi sa kanan. Kanan. Yun. O, inalampasan mo na. Pati si Barulilla, gumaganon eh.
Ay.
Oy, oh.
Yes sir, hindi ko po direktang kakilala po yun sir.
Ha?
Hindi ko po direktang kakilala.
Sino?
Si Atty. Maronilla.
Hindi mo attorney si Atty. Maronilla.
Atty. Maronilla sir, is Jet Maronilla is also a lawyer sir.
Lawyer ka ba? Uy, lawyer pala ito ha. Di ba may pisang ka rin, Atty. Maronilla?
Yeah, yes sir.
Ayan. Ito ba?
I remember sir, in Bicolano also sir, of Ma'am Marinilla. Kababayan po namin sir.
Lawyer na, Bicol ka, di ba?
Yes, Your Honor.
Oh, Bicol yung mga Maronilla eh.
Opo sir.
Oh, sige. Ma'am, tapusin natin ito para makauwi na tayo, di pa ako makain ng breakfast at lunch. Are you gonna tell the truth or not?
Iyan naman po talaga ang nangyari, Mr. Chairman.
I don't want to be hard-hearted, but I'm giving you all the chances. Anyway, getting to be silly. Were you aware that alam mo ba kung yung shipment dito sa MICP eventually dadali? Ikaw ba kinuha sa MICP? Hindi, ano? Hindi siya, no?
Hindi
dito
po.
sa Quad, yung sa Cavite. Alam mo dadali sa Cavite yan, di ba?
Hindi ko po alam.
Oh, ikaw ang sukosain eh.
Oo nga po, pero kasi di po ba nga nung nakaraang hindi naman po, ang ibig ko po sabihin, hindi naman po talaga ako ang consignee niyan.
Oh, did you hear that, Commissioner? Hindi ba sinabi sa inyo, hindi naman talaga ako ang consignee niyan. Assuming totoo yung sinabi mo, tumanggap ka lang ng pera. So, tumanggap ka ng pera. Would you like to talk to me in private, Counselor? Would you like to talk to me in private?
Your Honor, if needed, we will.
Yes? You don't want to talk to me in private?
When the need arises, Your Honor.
Sorry?
If you request a meeting with us, Your
I'm
Honor.
not requesting you.
Yes,
I'm just trying to help you. Why would I request you?
Yes, Your Honor, if needed.
Go ahead. Come here. I'm trying to help you. My goodness. Ako pa magre-request. Maritana to say that he gave money because he cannot afford, and besides, he really testified. And now Mr. Guban has admitted that he was ordered by a Colonel Asierto, who is now on the lam. He was removed as PNP because he was involved in the AK-47 fiasco, to get a consignee of record, specifically SMYD, under Mrs. Singh Napan. And unfortunately, Ms. Singh Napan continues to, while admitting that she's a consignee of record but not the real consignee, and under the Customs Modernization Act, the consignee who admits it will be liable for the importation if it turns out that even if she is the false consignee. So the situation now is, after having practically, and against my best intentions, plead with her to tell the truth, she maintains that she did not. She did. It was Mr. Joey Maritana who paid her. So I told her if she doesn't speak the truth, I will have to declare her in contempt, and that is why the two senators, like I said at the beginning, are all watching in our own rooms while we're doing other things, or we're attending. The staff is watching, so they're being apprised of the situation, especially in a Blue Ribbon investigation. So the situation now, Your Honor, is that we should that there should be a recommendation for contempt. So I will ask her again for the last time. Ma'am, you have consulted your lawyer. I have talked to your lawyer, and the lawyer agrees that you should tell the truth. That is her advice to you. Do you still insist in saying, in not telling the truth here?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes, you'll not tell the truth.
No, I will tell the truth.
Okay. Ano po ang totoo? Sino po ang nagbayad sa inyo para magamit yung pangalan nyo para maglabas ng ganito kalaking attempt ng droga?
After na po yung 180, kasama na po doon yung taxes and duties na estimate na 150. At saka 50 na handling fee po ng SMYD. Ngayon, iyan po talagang binigay sa akin ni Mr. Joel Maritana. No, ngayon, hindi ko po alam, dahil kanina po sa mga series na mga pagtatanong ninyo, nadinig ko na sinabi nga ni Mr. Guban na siya yung naghanap ng SMYD. Eh baka siya naman po yung nasa likod ni Joel Maritana.
So, you insist na si Joel ang nabigyan ng pera, pero narinig nyo na walang bahay, walang sariling bahay, wala siyang hanapbuhay na sapat na makapagbigay, at inadmit na ni kinukubli kayo ni Mr. Guban, kaya siya pinahanap ni Colonel Asierto ng. So I will go one last chance. Mr. Guban, sabi mo si Asierto nagpahanap sa iyo ng consignee at ang napili mo ay si itong SMYD.
Opo, sir. Opo, Your Honor.
Kinausap mo si Joel para gumawa ng affidavit kayo ni Mr. Naval na ituro ang SMYD.
Later part na po yun, sir. Nung nagkakagulo. Sabi nga po, sir, diretso po ako kuno ang SMYD.
No, sinabi mo na yan, di ba?
Opo, sir.
So, kaya binawi ni Joel yung kanyang affidavit dahil ikaw kumuha sa SMYD. Tinatanong pa rin kita ngayon ulit, bakit mo kukunin bakit mo kailangan si Joel para ikubli si SMYD? Utos ba rin ni Asierto yun?
Yes, Sir Honor, para di po masunog ang trabaho.
So makatwid si Asierto, alam niya na SMYD may kinalaman na darating shipment na ginagamit lang niya siya ng consignee for hire.
Opo, sir.
Balik ko tayo sa inyo. Ayan, narinig nyo na yung istorya. Under contempt na po si Jimmy Guban. Nakakulong na ho yan dito. Kung ganyan rin ang gagawin nyo, mapipilitan ako na i-recommenda na makontempt po kayo. Ayoko magpa-contempt ng babae. Ayoko rin magpa-contempt ng, ayoko naman tawain kayo senior citizen.
Salamat po.
So, So, kung hindi nyo tatanggapin yung sinasabi ko na hindi kayo nagsasabi ng totoo, I will have to place you in contempt upon the recommendation of the two senators here.
Mahal kong chairman, sinabi ko naman po sa inyo na ang kausap ko lang talaga dyan si Joel Maritana. No, ngayon sinasabi nga po ni Mr. Guban na siya naman lahat ng nag-orkestra nito. Sa palagay ko po, si Mr. Guban na nga ang nasa